Hello and welcome to video number 17. What's the normal reaction when you are hearing a police car moving to the right like Ben did? But yeah. It's quite unusual for the German police that they are using the bike lane here.
Oh, ist der irre oder was? Ja?
Was sagst du dazu?
Nix, mir fällt nichts mehr ein.
But I think we can do better than that. Behind the black car would have been enough space to move over to the right. This here is a classic situation from the German driving school. What can you always expect in residential areas? Exactly this here. Children do not always act predictably. Our dashcam guy here is in Sweden for holiday. The video sender Thomas has admitted that he behaved wrong here. Apart from overtaking over the solid line, he was driving way too fast and he was on the left lane for a long time and perfectly hiding in the blind spot for the turning car.
Was ist denn hier los?
Classic situation, overtaking in the turning lane of the oncoming traffic. Here it's the same, but where does this car here came from?
Das wäre ja.
Naja, man fährt auch nicht so.
The dashcam stated that the cyclists have to use the right side of the road. That's right, but you always have to consider that the right of way in Germany is over the whole width of the road. That means both lanes. You always have to look correctly because there can be bigger cars like trucks needing the whole width of the road, and it can be very dangerous when turning, especially on higher speeds. Like here.
Pass auf! Das ist ja unglaublich. Ich habe absolute Vorfahrt. Auf beiden Spuren gilt die Vorfahrt und nicht so.
I don't know how the regulations are in other countries than Germany, but in this situation our dashcam guy Paul did nothing wrong here.
Der muss mich überholen lassen. Dann kommt eine Katze. Auch noch.
If there are no traffic signs in Germany, there's right before left, with one exception. If you are coming out of a traffic calming area, you have to wait always, unless the road signs are saying something different. If you are a cyclist, you have no right of way on pedestrian crossings, unless you are pushing your bike, like here. But that's not the topic here. The woman dropped something here and it's very nice to see that our dashcam guy Stefan and the Mercedes driver helped her out here. No honking or impatience, we've already seen it very differently here on our channel.
Alter! Meine Fresse! Alter!
And that confirms it again, children's behavior is not always predictable. But I don't understand why people don't use a crosswalk 20 meters away here. Even this pigeon here gets it right. Until now we had no red traffic lights. time to change it. We are all waiting here in front of the red traffic light, except this genius car driver. But I think we can even do it better. This is a classic situation, I think, in every country. On the opposite side is an accident, and in this direction is a traffic jam because of that. Because everybody has to work and everybody has to look instead of just driving by normally. I blurred the situation because on this channel I won't show the scene of car accidents if I don't know if there was anybody hurt or not.
Geht denn falsch mit den Leuten? Hier ist nichts auf der Seite.
On this street he is right before left. Yeah, unless you are a cyclist. And that will be just a matter of time until you end up on the hood of a left turning car. That wasn't that close, but I think we can do better than that. And she's right, that was a good reaction. It's not only the deer here, on the left side is a rabbit as well. And with this situation I say, if you'd like this video, please subscribe to the channel and maybe watch another video linked on the right side here. And then I will say thanks for watching, see you the next time, and bye.